Hi, in this video, I would like to talk about the environment, poverty, and the sustainable development. This lecture shows that climate change is not only an environmental problem, it is also a development problem and a justice problem. According to the lecture, human-caused climate change is already happening and its effects include extreme heat, stronger storms, sea level rise and glacier retreat, and ecosystem collapse. These environmental changes directly affect development because they damage the basic conditions that people need to survive and improve their lives. This is especially important when we think about the poverty. Poverty is not only about the lack of money, it is also about the vulnerability of a society. The lecture also connects the climate change to the Sustainable Development Goals. Climate change affects all 17 SDGs, but it is especially connected to the first goal, no poverty. If people lose their farms, homes, or access to the clean water because of the climate disasters, poverty becomes harder to escape. One concept from the lecture that I think is very important is climate justice. Climate justice asks who caused climate change and who suffers from it, and who should be responsible for this. It also explains that the global north is responsible for the most historical carbon emissions, while the global south often suffers most serious consequences. For example, least developed countries have contributed very little to historical emissions.